The reason that I love my business so much, you're gonna make me cry, is because I get to meet people like you, and I get to help you achieve this.
I thought about owning a business. I think like a lot of people, you kind of lay awake in bed at night just thinking, what can I do? What can I sell? What can I invent?
We both liked what we were doing, but the prospect of being a little bit more in control and having something that, we can kind of control when we want to be in and out of it was very appealing to us.
I was very disillusioned with corporate America. I was doing nothing that was fulfilling me personally.
I always thought about what life would be like as a business owner. And it's a question you asked me. What do you really want? And I said, purpose.
I remember the question still to this day. You said, why would you go work for them? And it was the first time in my mind that it triggered to say, maybe I could go run my own business.
When I got on the webinar with you, what I saw was there's this whole world of franchises that I didn't even know about that I was going to now be able to look at all the options.
It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process. You're putting your name on the line with these people and your reputation on the line as well. So I could trust you instantly.
I connected with you instantly, I really did.
Spending the money to do it was a really scary proposition. However, it changed for me when I really fell in love with a brand and I could really see myself working in that brand.
And there's a point where you handed it off to Supercuts. Supercuts picked this up and it was the same principles. Here's what you need to do for due diligence.
Does that feel like work?
It never has felt like work.
I didn't know anything about this. I didn't know how to go find a franchise. So having someone like you is paramount.
It was worth it. It's worth it to be more in control of our future and have something that we're excited to build together as a family.
The thing about our franchise, there's already a blueprint. All you have to do is follow a blueprint. And I couldn't be more thankful for the time we had, and I'll be ever grateful to you.
Thank you for that opportunity.
Yeah. It is the most all-in feeling. Like if you're a poker player and you push all your chips to the middle, that's what this is, and you've got to attack it.
This has been a lot more fun than it has work.
If I had one word to describe my experience working with Kim Daly, it was enlightening.
You really have a wealth of knowledge and experience that they can tap into.
I am probably less stressed now than I was in my corporate job.
Thank you for what you do for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.